Whether you're an avid baker who's always whipping up delicious cooking and cakes or a relative novice just starting out in the kitchen, having the right equipment in hand is the key to success. While mixing tools and bowls are essential, silicone baking mats are an eco-friendly alternative to parchment paper or aluminum foil that can be a serious game changer for all home bakers. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 silicone baking mats on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Large silicone pastry mat. Overall, the best silicone baking mat is this pick from Green Rain. In addition to being offered in multiple sizes and colors, the baking mat has a non-stick surface and an anti-slip bottom that makes it even easier to use. The baking sheet comes in multiple sizes, so you can choose which suits your baking needs best. It's also a bit thicker than average baking mats, which is handy for rolling dough. One feature that makes it the best baking mat overall, however, is that it has measurement equivalents, dimension, volume, and weight, printed all around the edges in 2 different units, which you can refer back to easily as you get to work. The mat is super easy to keep clean, too. It can be hand washed or go in the dishwasher on the top rack, depending on your preference. You can fold it up for easy storage when you're done using it as well. Number 2. Silpat Premium Non-Stick Silicone Baking Mat. If you're able to spend a little more on your kitchen bakeware, you'll likely end up with durable, long-lasting products of the highest quality, such as this baking mat from Made by Design. The mat is offered in 2 different sizes and is easy to care for. This mat is a sturdy non-stick product that's designed to be used thousands of times, meaning that depending on how often you bake, you can probably go years and years before needing to replace it with a new model. It's super easy to wash, too, as it's dishwasher safe. It's able to be stored flat or rolled up, so you can pick whichever option works best for your storage needs. Plus, it's even safe to go in a microwave if you ever need to go that route during baking. Just be careful using any sharp tools or cutters on the mat as it can damage it. Number 3. Catbite Large Baking Mat Set. If you cook and bake often, the best silicone mats are this set by Catbite. The set includes 3 rectangular silicone baking mats in 2 different sizes, so your kitchen will be stocked for the next recipe you whip up. 2 of the mats are the same half sheet size, while the other one is a quarter sheet size. They're all made from non-toxic, BPA-free, and odorless silicone and fiberglass, and are thick enough to avoid slipping or wrinkling during use. You can keep these silicone baking mats clean fairly easily, as they can be washed either with soap or in the dishwasher, no matter how much grease or dough is stuck on the surface. They also feature a non-slip back and can be used in the oven at temperatures up to 500 degrees, as well as in the microwave if that's more convenient for your particular baking needs. Number 4. Square Silicone Baking Mats. If you're looking for a baking mat that's best for small use, this set of 2 square size mats from anyone will more than do the trick. Each mat is flexible and non-stick with a flat, thick surface that will fit perfectly in square cake pans, bread pans, or other devices. These are sturdy, durable, and compact mats that, due to their size, are particularly great for smaller kitchen spaces. Sure, you can't bake dozens of items at once on these mats, but they can help you out with plenty of smaller scale projects, like macaron and other small pastries. They're only oven safe for up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, so keep that in mind depending on the recipe you're making. When you're done using them, you can either rinse them off in the sink or throw them in the dishwasher to keep them looking clean and fresh. And in addition to being dishwasher safe, they're also microwave and freezer safe, too. Number 5. OXO Good Grip Silicone Pastry Mat. In need of a silicone baking mat that's big enough to hold dozens of cookies or rows of cupcakes? The best silicone baking mat is this pick by OXO, which, at 17.5 by 24.5 inches, is far larger than the typical product. Because of its size, the baking mat also works especially great for rolling out dough for pie crusts, cakes, or pizzas. It is on the pricier end of things, however, it'll save you from having to buy a few tools. The mat features helpful measurements and baking tools all around the surface, including dough diameter outlines, unit conversions, and even ingredient substitutions. The entire border acts as a ruler, too, and includes both inches and centimeters. Additionally, this mat boasts a non-skip surface, a non-stick bottom, and sturdy construction. It's dishwasher safe, too, so you don't have to clean it by hand unless you want to. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.